a massive long train, and the end is easy to the day before all, forever where, with a flame to the to Lord against the fall will only